Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave your comments. Tell me what you're doing, how you're doing. I'd love to hear from you. I do read every one of your comments. You may not believe it, but I do. Y'all, I'm going to have an update on my wife at the end of this video. Please stick around for it. It's good news. Okay, let's get into this. Y'all, this is only a proposal from the Senate. It still needs to be passed by the House before it can go to Donald Trump for his signing it into law. Okay, stimulus checks. Right now, they're set at $1,200 per person. That's $1,200 for singles, $2,400 for a couple, $500 for each dependent. There's no age limit this time, and there's no limit of how many dependents this time. Now keep in mind, these checks are just a proposal, and they could go up in value once they go to the House. People that owes back child support will not qualify for a check. People in prisons will not qualify for a check. People on SSI, Social Security, SSDI, and railroad retirement will get the check. The income caps for a single person is $75,000. For a couple is $150,000. Anything over $150,000 is tiered down $100 per, I think, thousand, I'm not sure. So basically, if you got the check last time or was supposed to get the check last time, a lot of people were supposed to and didn't. We know that. But if you got it last time, you will get it this time. If you was supposed to get it last time, if now they've got your information right, you should be getting it also. This is going to be a one-time check. As it stands right now, I don't really see it being a monthly thing. You know how our government is. Okay, what is not going to be in the bill? Hazard pay. No hazard pay is mentioned. No essential workers is mentioned. But, on the other hand, the way I understand it, the FBI building will be in it. Don't that slap you in the face? But we know how our government is. Okay, y'all, an update on my wife. I don't know if you seen my video last night or not. I had just a quick video last night. Yesterday, her nurse called me, and he says that he took her off of the CPAP machine, and now all she's got is the smaller of the two sizes oxygen cannula in her nose, and he's got that turned way down. It's just there to assist her. She's breathing pretty good right now. Then he told me that all of her vitals is good. Everything is looking good. She is getting a lot better, he said. Then he said something that blew my mind. He said, "Would you like to talk to her?" Man, that made my day right there. He says, there's no phone in this room, but I'm going to leave my cell phone here and I'm going to put it on speaker so she can talk to you without even holding the phone. He left the room. Amy started talking. I could tell she was still having trouble, but she sounded a world amount of difference than what she sounded the day before when I talked to her. I was up there the day before and I could barely understand what she was saying, and we was face to face. But now over the phone is a world of difference. She still has a lot of trouble. A couple of times I had to ask her what she say, but it's still a lot better. And she was joking with me and laughing and everything, so she's getting better. And she told me that she prayed to God, and she told God that she ain't ready to go yet. But y'all, she's getting better. The prayers are working. Y'all, please keep praying. I know God has got his hands on her now. She's coming home. Thank you all for your prayers and your support. And just know I love you all. Ciao.